Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to all my friends and especially to my English teacher, Afif Aziz. My English teacher want me to tell you guys about birds. Birds, their life, freedom, right? What should I do if I am a bird? If I am a bird, of course I want to freedom. I want to fly everywhere. If I am a bird, I want very want to explore the world. That's mean I have many places that I never go there because I'm Chinese. So if I am a bird, I want to fly all the places. I want to go there. I want to see beauty. Let's continue. Secondly, if I am a bird, I really would like to be one of the small species, cute and beautiful. Because why? Because I want to attract the people to take me as their pet. And they will. Maybe they can take good care of me. Oh, I will appreciate it. Okay, next is if I'm a bird, I want to always like to be happy, colorful, melodious, and free. I want to show my positive reaction, with positive emotions. What should I do if I'm a bird? If I am a bird, I really want to make my own home on the tallest mountain and behold my land. Because why? Because I like the high places. For the same time, I can see the sunset. And the last is, if I am a bird, I would help free others birds from captivity and release them into the wild. So that's the time. If I am a bird, I will help them to live freedom. Can see everywhere, can fly on the sky, and so that's all from me. I think if I am a bird, no change can bind me. We don't know that not all the birds want to freedom, but part of them want to. I hope you guys enjoy with my videos and you got it what I say. Thank you for watching. Thank you for lending me your ear. Thank you so much.